Hello guys, today we are going to learn about starters. Basically, what are the starters in Chainlit? It says starters are suggestions to help your users to get started with your assistant. So let me copy these lines and add in our chatbot, then you will understand it better. So after copying, let me paste here. In our public folder, I have idea.png, learn.png, similarly write.png and terminal.png. I don't have idea.svg files, so I will simply change from svg to png. Let me save this and let's refresh our chatbot. It is showing the suggestions here, but after that it is showing, hello, I am your AI assistant, how can I help you? So I don't want that welcome message. I will simply comment this out, and after saving, let's refresh it again. So yes, it is showing the suggestions successfully. It is morning routine, explain superconductor, Python script for daily email report, and text inviting friend. Basically, these are the labels here we are seeing in the UI: morning routine ideation, explain superconductor, Python script, and text invitation. You can change these labels according to your need. If you notice, there is a message here also: can you help me create a personalized morning routine? Explain superconductor like I am 5-year-old. So basically, whenever I click on this suggestion, it automatically type this message: can you help me create personalized morning routine? It is the same message, this one. So for now I will stop it and let's refresh it again. If I click on this Python script for daily email report, the message here is write a script to automate sending daily email report in Python and walk me through how I would set it up. So it is the same message here, you see. Of course, you can customize your labels and you can customize your message according to your need. The suggestions and starters are quite handy in Chainlit. You can add this in your chatbot and you can make it more interesting. So yes, that's it for now. We'll see you in next class, guys.